Welcome back, fellow ancient civilization enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of ancient Egyptian science and culture. The Egyptians were not only skilled architects and builders, but their expertise extended far beyond the construction of monumental structures like the pyramids and temples. Their architectural prowess is well documented, with the Great Pyramid of Giza standing as a testament to their ingenuity and precision. These structures were not just feats of engineering, they were also imbued with deep cultural and religious significance, reflecting the Egyptians' sophisticated understanding of both the physical and metaphysical worlds. In addition to their architectural achievements, the Egyptians were also pioneers in the field of science. Their contributions to various scientific disciplines laid the groundwork for many modern practices. They meticulously observed the natural world, recording their findings in detailed hieroglyphics. These early scientists made significant advancements in astronomy, mathematics, and engineering, which were crucial for agricultural planning and the construction of their grand edifices. Their scientific endeavors were driven by a desire to understand the universe and their place within it, leading to a rich tradition of inquiry and discovery. Among their many scientific achievements, their knowledge of medicine was incredibly advanced for their time. The ancient Egyptians practiced a form of medicine that was both practical and spiritual, blending empirical observation with religious beliefs. They performed surgeries, set broken bones, and treated a variety of ailments using an array of medical instruments that were remarkably sophisticated. These tools, often made from bronze and other materials, included scalpels, forceps, and probes, which were used in procedures that ranged from minor surgeries to more complex operations. Their medical texts, such as the Ebers Papyrus and the Edwin Smith Papyrus, provide detailed descriptions of various treatments and surgical techniques, showcasing their extensive medical knowledge. The Egyptians even had a rudimentary understanding of the circulatory system, recognizing the heart as a central organ that pumped blood throughout the body. This understanding was reflected in their medical practices and anatomical diagrams, which depicted the body's internal structures with surprising accuracy. Ancient Egyptian doctors, known as Subnw, were highly respected and often held positions of great importance within society. They were trained in medical schools attached to temples, where they learned both the practical and theoretical aspects of medicine. These doctors employed a holistic approach to healing, addressing not only the physical symptoms of illness, but also the spiritual and emotional well-being of their patients. Their medical practices included the use of herbal remedies, surgical interventions, and magical incantations, all aimed at restoring balance and harmony to the body and soul. The legacy of ancient Egyptian medicine is a testament to their profound understanding of the human body and their innovative approach to healthcare, which continues to inspire and inform modern medical practices. In the realm of astronomy, the Egyptians were also ahead of their time. They carefully observed the stars and planets, creating one of the first known calendars to track the movements of celestial bodies. The ancient Egyptians were not just builders of monumental structures like the pyramids, they were also keen observers of the night sky. Their fascination with the cosmos was deeply intertwined with their culture, religion, and daily life. The clear skies of Egypt provided an excellent backdrop for stargazing, and the Egyptians took full advantage of this natural observatory. They meticulously charted the positions of stars and planets, noting their movements and patterns over time. This careful observation led to the creation of one of the earliest known calendars, which was essential for agricultural and religious purposes. The Egyptian calendar was based on the lunar and solar cycles. They divided the year into 12 months of 30 days each, with an additional 5 days added at the end of the year to make a total of 365 days. This calendar was remarkably accurate for its time and was used to predict the annual flooding of the Nile River, which was crucial for farming. The heliacal rising of the star Sirius, known as Sothis to the Egyptians, marked the beginning of the new year and the start of the inundation season. Egyptian astronomers also identified and named various constellations, many of which were associated with their gods and myths. For example, the constellation Orion was linked to Osiris, the god of the afterlife, while the star Sirius was associated with Isis, the goddess of fertility and motherhood. These celestial bodies were not just points of light in the sky, they were integral to the Egyptians' understanding of the universe and their place within it. The alignment of their temples and pyramids with specific stars and constellations further demonstrates the importance of astronomy in ancient Egyptian society. The Great Pyramid of Giza, for instance, is aligned with the cardinal points and has shafts that point towards the stars in Orion's belt. This precise alignment suggests that the Egyptians had a sophisticated knowledge of astronomy and were able to make accurate astronomical observations. In addition to their practical applications, astronomy also played a significant role in Egyptian mythology and religious practices. The sky was seen as a reflection of the divine order, and the movements of the stars and planets were believed to be the actions of the gods. The Egyptians believed that the pharaohs became stars in the afterlife, joining the celestial realm and continuing to watch over their people from above. Overall, the contributions of ancient Egyptian astronomers were profound and far-reaching. Their observations and discoveries laid the groundwork for future advancements in astronomy and influenced other civilizations, including the Greeks and Romans. The legacy of Egyptian astronomy can still be seen today in the way we understand and study the cosmos. And let's not forget their impressive architectural feats. The construction of the pyramids, with their precise measurements and alignment with the stars, is a testament to their engineering prowess. The ancient Egyptians were master builders, and their architectural achievements have stood the test of time, continuing to awe and inspire us even today. The pyramids, particularly the Great Pyramid of Giza, are among the most iconic and enduring symbols of ancient engineering. These monumental structures were built over 4,500 years ago, yet they still stand tall, a testament to the ingenuity and skill of the people who constructed them. The process of building a pyramid was a colossal undertaking that required meticulous planning, precise calculations, and a deep understanding of both engineering and astronomy. The ancient Egyptians used simple tools and techniques, yet they were able to achieve remarkable precision. The alignment of the pyramids with the cardinal points and certain stars is particularly impressive, reflecting their advanced knowledge of the cosmos. The construction began with the careful selection of a site, usually on the west bank of the Nile, which was associated with the land of the dead. The foundation was then laid out with incredible accuracy, often using a grid system. Massive limestone and granite blocks, some weighing as much as 80 tons, were quarried, transported, and meticulously placed to form the pyramid's structure. The workforce, which included skilled laborers, engineers, and architects, worked tirelessly, often for decades, to complete these monumental edifices. One of the most fascinating aspects of pyramid construction is the use of ramps. Various theories suggest that the Egyptians used straight, zigzagging, or circular ramps to move the massive stones into place. These ramps were likely made of mud brick and limestone chippings, and their design would have been crucial to the success of the construction process. In addition to the physical construction, the pyramids were also adorned with intricate carvings and hieroglyphs, which often depicted scenes of daily life, religious rituals, and the pharaoh's journey to the afterlife. These artistic elements not only added to the beauty of the structures, but also served as important cultural and religious symbols. The pyramids were more than just tombs for the pharaohs. They were a reflection of the society's values, beliefs, and technological capabilities. They demonstrated the Egyptians' ability to organize and mobilize resources on a massive scale. Their deep understanding of mathematics and astronomy, and their unwavering dedication to their rulers and their gods. Today, the pyramids continue to be a source of fascination and wonder. They attract millions of visitors from around the world who come to marvel at their grandeur and to ponder the mysteries of their construction. The legacy of the ancient Egyptians lives on through these incredible structures, reminding us of the heights that human ingenuity and determination can achieve. From papyrus paper to the invention of the plow, the Egyptians were true innovators in many fields. Their legacy lives on in the artifacts and structures they left behind. So stay curious, ancient civilization enthusiast, and keep exploring the wonders of the past. Thanks for watching.